Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to cover My Eyes Only password without deleting everything. To start, open your internet browser, and then search for Snapchat support. Now click the link that says help.snapchat.com. Just tap on it. Now wait for the website to load. Once it has loaded, you will now be redirected to help.snapchat.com. In this case, you're going to click on Contact Us button, this one over here. Once you tap on it, the website will reload. Over at Submit a Request, you're now going to tap on I can't access my account. All you have to do is tap on it and give it a check, or a blue dot. And then scroll down. On Tell Us More, you will need to click on I think my account was compromised. And then in here, the website will load once again. You will now need to scroll down and then input your details from username, email, mobile number, and then description. Over here in the description box, all you need to do is type in your case or what actually happened in your Snapchat account. In here, you can copy what I'm saying on my screen, or you could compose your very own. Once you are done, just hit submit when you scroll down. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.